grade 5. In our previous lecture, we have discussed about what are shapes, angles and different types of shapes. So students, I request you all, please watch this video till last. So let's begin. What we will study in this part? Number 1, how to use a protractor. Number 2, how to measure an angle. Number 3, different types of angles. Number 4, practice questions. So let us do quick recap about angles. What is an angle? Two lines meeting at a point make an angle. Angles are formed when two rays meet. Angles are measured in degrees. The symbol used for degrees is. Next, terms associated with angles. Number 1, vertex. It is the common point of the angle where two lines meet. Number 2, arms. Arms of an angle are the lines that make up the angle. Number 3, protractor. A tool that is used to measure and draw angles. First topic for today, how to use a protractor. There are two scales in a protractor, inner scale and outer scale. So here I have marked inner scale with blue color. As you can see, it reads from right to left. And outer scale I have marked with red color and it reads from left to right. Center I have marked with purple and I have written here O. And baseline you can see with black arrow, that is the baseline. The outer scale reads from 0 degree to 180 degree, reading from left to right. And the inner scale reads from 0 degree to 180 degree, reading from right to left. Next is how we can measure an angle. To measure this angle ABC, we will place the center of the protractor on the vertex B. Then adjust this 0 degree line or baseline of the protractor over line BC of angle ABC. As the 0 degree line is towards the right side and on that side inner scale is starting from 0 degree. So we will read the inner scale and as we can see, this angle measures 60 degree. So angle ABC equals to 60 degree. Next topic, different types of angles. Number 1, acute angle. An angle that measures more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. So here in figure I have given you 60 degree. It is more than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. And second angle is right angle. An angle that measures exactly 90 degree. Third angle is obtuse angle. An angle which measures more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. In figure I have given you 120 degree. It is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Fourth angle is straight angle. An angle that measures exactly 180 degree. Fifth angle is reflex angle. An angle that measures more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. In figure I have given 210 degree. It is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. Sixth angle, complete angle. An angle that measures exactly 360 degree. Now practice time. Question number 1. State what type of angles these are. A part 52 degree. So it is less than 90 degree. So what type of angle it is? Acute angle. So write B part 161 degree. So it is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. It is obtuse angle. C part 90 degree. It is exactly 90 degree. So it is right angle. Then D part 200 degree. It is more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. So what type of angle? Reflex angle. E part 351 degree. It is also more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. It is reflex angle. Next, question 2. Here is a trapezium. A part, mark a right angle with the letter R. So here I have marked R as a right angle. B part, mark an acute angle with letter A. So here I have marked A for acute angle. So here is a summary of different types of angles. So students, I request you all please pause the video and go through it. Now practice time. Draw an angle with the help of protractor. So students, for drawing an angle, we need scale, pencil and protractor. So let's start. A part 30 degree. So draw a line QR as Q is the common point of the angle. Now we will place the protractor at point Q. By looking inner scale of protractor, we will mark a point P at 30 degree. So join this point. Angle PQR equals to 30 degree. Now B part 120 degree. Draw a line BC as B is the common point of the angle. Now we will place the protractor at point B. By looking inner scale of the protractor, we will mark a point A at 120 degree. So join this point. Angle ABC equals to 120 degree. Next question. How many degrees is the angle which is A part 2 times of a right angle? So students, as you all know, 90 degree is called right angle. So solution 2 times. So 2 multiply right angle means 90 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now B part 1 upon 2 of a right angle. Solution 1 upon 2 of means multiply right angle 90 degree. So 2 divided by 90, 45. So answer is 45 degree. Now C part 1 upon 3 of a right angle. Solution 1 upon 3 multiply 90 degree. 3 30 is a 90 degree. So the answer is 30 degree. Last question for today. Write what kind of angle is made by the hands. Also write the time. So as you can see here, the time is 3 o'clock. And which angle? Right angle. It is forming 90 degree angle. Next, what is the time in the clock? 7:25. So it is less than right angle. So it is acute angle formed. Next, what is the time in the clock? 8:15. It is more than right angle. So obtuse angle. Next, what is the time in the clock? 10 o'clock. It is less than right angle. So acute angle. Students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all have understood Gurleen ma'am's class. So our chapter 2 is completed. Homework for today, revise all the work done